One prompt, one 4.7 gigabyte model running on my own machine, no API key, no subscription, and 26 minutes later, a finished website. This is lmstudio Bionic, and I recorded the whole thing installed to output. Bionic is lmstudio's new agent, same company behind the app most people already use to run local models. But this one doesn't just chat, it reads your folders, writes files, runs commands, and finishes a task while you go and do something else. There are two kinds of project: work projects for research, writing, analysis, and documents, and code projects for a local code base with file, search, git, and shell tools. Inside a project, you open separate sessions per task, and you can run several of them at once. And this is the part that matters. A Bionic session can run on Frontier open models in lmstudio's secure cloud, on a local model on your own computer, or on a remote machine through lmlink. Same agent, 3 places, your call. Getting it is one button, lmstudio.ai, hit download, and you get a 598 megabyte installer, version 1.0.4. The installer is boring, and that is a compliment. Next finish, no account, no license key, nothing to configure. It launches straight into a new project, give it a name, and decide whether Bionic is allowed to run code on your machine. First launch is almost empty. One box, ask Bionic to do something, and a model picker. That is the whole interface, which after every other agent tool I have reviewed this year is genuinely refreshing. Settings is where the real choices are. You pick a root model that every new session inherits, and the list is split. Cloud on top, local underneath. There is web search exploration agents that search your project in parallel, and session completion notifications, which you will want because some of these runs are long. It also speaks MCP connected apps is the integration panel. Here is GitHub running as a local server on the machine with its own access token, so the agent can touch repositories, issues, and pull requests. Now here is the thing, nobody puts on the landing page. I picked a cloud model, sent my first message, and got this. Add credits to continue. You need inference credits before using cloud inference. The cloud models are pay as you go. So let's do it the way this video is actually about and pull a model down locally. The Explore tab is a model browser wired straight into Hugging Face with staff picks at the top. Gemma, Quen, Nimatron, LFM2, Devstral, and the one I wanted, Bonsai 27B. Bonsai is a 27 billion parameter model with binary and ternary weights, which squeezes it down to about 4.7 gigabytes on disk. Bionic checks my hardware and tells me straight away, full GPU offload possible. That green badge is the only spec sheet you need. Download and then wait 3.5 minutes for me, then it indexes and a use in new chat button appears. From here on, nothing leaves this laptop. First, a sanity check. Which folder are you working on in my PC? It reasons, calls a tool, lists the working directory, and comes back with the actual path and the one file inside it. 1 minute 40, not fast, but it is a 27B model on a consumer GPU, and it is right. Then the real one. Can you create me a website of a dog named Creed who is advertising itself to the customers? German Shepherd. That is it. No spec, no stack, no folder structure, deliberately the kind of prompt a normal person types. And then it works for 26 minutes and 48 seconds. I'm speeding this up, but I'm not hiding it. One tool call failed outright. It hit the context limit and compacted itself twice. And about halfway through, it threw away its first plan and said, let me fix this by creating the website directly. It recovered on its own. It just was not quick about it. This bit I liked before it called itself done. It opened the page in its own built-in browser to watch it render. Then it opened the same file in a side-by-side code editor to read what it had actually written. It verified. Most agents just tell you they are finished. Task complete. One self-contained HTML file, sticky navy navbar, orange accents, pop-ins, a hero banner, a services grid, testimonials, and a contact block. Responsive with no dependencies except Google Fonts. From a one-line prompt on a local model for zero API cost. So what is good? It is genuinely local, and the model picker makes that a one-click decision instead of a config file. The install is a single 598 megabyte binary with no account. It speaks MCP out of the box, it verifies its own work, and it recovers from its own mistakes without you babysitting it. And what is not 27 minutes for a single page site is a long time. A Frontier Cloud model would do this in 2, and that is the trade you're making. The Cloud option needs paid credits, so free only means local. It compacted context twice on a task this small, and read its summaries carefully. It reported the file as 1.2 megabytes. The actual file on disk is 13 kilobytes. The website is fine. The self-report was not. If you already run local models and you have been waiting for the agent layer on top, this is that, and it is the most finished version of it I have used. If you want fast, you're paying for cloud inference, and at that point you're choosing Bionic for the privacy, not the speed. lmstudio Bionic, link in the description. It is a free download. Everything you just watched was one unedited screen recording. If you want the Creed site or the exact prompt, it is in the pinned comment. I am Prompt Engineer 48. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.